Boom! What's up, everybody? My name is Kim Scogwell, and today we'll be stepping it up a notch from last week's image. So we're gonna go one step above, and we're gonna start again with Affinity Photo. Then we're gonna go into Topaz Mask AI, and then we're gonna do Franzis Cutout Professional 5. And as you can see, this image is a little bit more challenging than the first one we did. We got some soft edges, some overexposed parts, some darker underexposed parts, and some openings in between or in the subject that we need to cut out. So again, we're gonna time it. We're gonna let the programs do the heavy lifting and all that. I'm gonna refine it if the software allows us to refine it. If not, we'll try do it the best we can, and we'll put a green screen behind it and see the results at the end. So without too much further ado, if you like this tutorial, please hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and leave your comments down below. We'll get straight to it. Cool, so you can see we're inside Affinity Photo. I'm gonna get my trusty selection brush tool. And I'm just gonna go over the dude here, and we're gonna go out to the side. Let Affinity do this here. We're just gonna get over there. I'm gonna make sure we grab the whole arm here, hand and everything. Got the legs. We're gonna zoom in here a little bit. See down here we missed some parts. I'm just gonna hold down Alt and we're gonna follow the pants leg up here, and then we're gonna connect up here so we get all of that taken care of. And we're just gonna get that one here. Follow the edge here. That's what I thought I saw, that it didn't catch it all. And we got too much non-hair stuff up here. And this is the tricky part because of that overexposure. Then we have the shirt here and this. So we'll see now once we hit refine. We're just gonna get to this part. Okay, so we're gonna zoom back out, hit refine. And that is a pretty decent job, Affinity. I'll give you that. I'm just gonna go over the hair right here. That looks good to me. I don't seem like we missed too many spots here. Maybe a little bit up on the jacket there is. Yeah, see we have some red there, so I'm just gonna take my foreground, make the brush a little bit smaller, and just very gently like this. And then I gotta change the background because I did a little bit too much there. And then we have a little bit too much here as well. So we just give an Affinity. Affinity is still doing most of the job. I'm just double checking it. And I think that is it. So we're gonna go down here again, new layer with mask, hit apply. And there you go. We got a really clean cutout. So again, Affinity Photo delivers a strong performance here. We zoom in, we can check out the hair. Looks pretty decent. We have some holes in it. We're gonna hit that green screen right now. Just gonna make this green like so, and then put it back in. And you can see we have a little bit on the hair here that doesn't look great, but this is really tricky. I don't expect the other two softwares to do a much better job. But overall, this is really clean, Affinity. So if you like this tutorial, please hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and leave your comments down below who you think will do the best job, Affinity Photo, Topaz Mask AI, or Franzis Cutout 5 Professional. See you all next time when it's the past turn with this image.